The absence of Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg from the State of the Union address continues to fuel concerns about her health. One America's Jennifer Franco takes a closer look.
Millions of our fellow citizens are watching us now gathered in this great chamber, hoping that we will govern not as two parties, but as one nation.
Leading up to the president's highly anticipated speech Tuesday night, curiosity grew over whether Ruth Bader Ginsburg would make an appearance. A series of health issues led the 85-year-old to miss oral arguments for the first time in her 25-year career. Ginsburg stayed out of the public eye for over a month while she recovered, until this week.
For the first time since her cancer surgery in December, Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg has been seen out in public. Her first appearance on Monday was over at the National Museum of Women in the Arts in Washington, where she attended her daughter-in-law Patrice Michael's concert.
Ginsburg reportedly kept a low profile by sitting in the back of the venue, while her daughter-in-law, who also happens to be the production's creator, avoided mentioning she was in the audience. Even before then, Ginsburg had reportedly been spotted at a D.C. area gym. The sightings didn't produce any photos of her, leading many to look to the State of the Union as an opportunity for Ginsburg to put rumors about her health to rest. But as Tuesday's event got underway, it appeared Ginsburg was not among the 4 justices spotted in the House chamber. Looking back, Ginsburg is no stranger to snubbing the president and even apologized for making negative remarks toward him during his 2016 campaign.
Judges should not talk about political candidates, and the press has blown this up out of all proportion, so I would prefer not to add anything to what I have already said.
In fact, Ginsburg skipped out on the president's first SOTU, so it may not come as a surprise that she wasn't present this year. She's also not the only one to do so. Although justices are required to carry out a number of duties, attending the State of the Union address is not one of them. However, the timing surrounding her absence is raising questions about the seriousness of her health. Some have even speculated she's been dead for several weeks. The Supreme Court has been tight-lipped about Ginsburg's status. Before confirming her first public appearance on Twitter, the court had only issued a statement back in January saying the justice had been declared cancer-free by doctors. For now, Ginsburg will continue to work from home while her colleagues prepare to convene for their next public session, February 19th. However, as more days pass, more questions will likely be raised about when or even whether Ginsburg will appear in court. Jennifer Franco, One America News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube. And call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.